Hi everyone, I hope everyone's having a great long weekend. Just a update to week number 3. We're talking about principles of assessment this week. A couple of things to kind of make note of. Firstly, you would have received a message that quiz number 1 is available. If you go to the assignments area, you'll find it listed there. 20 questions, and it should be completed in one sitting. You have 24 minutes to complete, and it's available until next Sunday at midnight. In an email to you, I said or recommended that perhaps you want to hold off on starting it until after lab on Tuesday, because there will be a time to get together and look at everyone's Cornell notes and potentially revise your notes. So as mentioned, again, we're talking about principles of assessment this week. All your materials are listed or are contained within the week 3 folder. When you pop in here, you'll find a lesson plan, Cornell notes, a quick video with our friends from Holland regarding sensitivity and specificity. You'll find the weekly slides both in PowerPoint and Google slide format. The lab handout. If you are not interested in a paper handout, please, if you get a chance, give me a shout so we can save some paper. But other than that, I'll make sure everyone has a copy. And in terms of optional resources, if you go in here, pop in the Vernon Meyer Neck Disability Index and a No Marks quiz for week number 3 is available for you there. So again, that's it for now. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. And otherwise, I will see you on Tuesday. Thanks.